Hello. Here we will discuss about Veens project. Veens is an open source framework for running vehicular network simulations. It is based on two well-established simulators, Omnet++ an event-based network simulator and Sumo a road traffic simulator. It extends these to offer a comprehensive suite of models for IVC simulation. The Veens framework includes a comprehensive suite of models to make vehicular network simulations as realistic as possible without sacrificing speed. The graphic user interface and IDE of Omnet++ and Sumo can be used for quickly setting up and running simulations. Road traffic simulation is performed by Sumo, which is well established in the domain of traffic engineering. Network simulation is performed by Omnet++ along with the physical layer modeling toolkit Mixim, which makes it possible to employ accurate models for radio interference, as well as sorting by static and moving obstacle. Both simulators are bidirectionally coupled. So here we will see like how we can run Veens project. In first step, we have to build project. If we already built, so we can directly run. So right click, run as, then we have to select Omnet++ simulation. So here we can see graphic user and interface window T can be, and we can see config name. There are many different config names which we already mentioned in INI5. For running this project, we can select any config name. Like here, I am selecting first one. Then I will click on OK. After that, I have to click on Run. So we can see now it is running. We have to go into activities. We can see here when we run project out to T can be window, graphic user interface. So it's also showing some graphic user interface on Sumo configuration window. So we can again go into activities. We can run fast. After running fast, we can see movement of vehicles. Here now we can see there are 5 cars. We can also run express. Then we again go into activities. To see like how it is working on Sumo. So it means we cannot run any Veens project without T can be window and Sumo configuration. So this one is about Veens project. Thank you.